Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 electric nail gun of 2025. I have reviewed related products and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. The video description includes product links where you can purchase the products. Number 1. Brand name, Tasp, model number, MESG 45 electric nail gun. The 230V 2-in-1 electric staple gun is a versatile and reliable tool for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners. Perfect for upholstery, light construction, and renovations, its dual functionality supports both staples and nails, making it highly adaptable. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, while its robust power delivers efficient performance on various materials. It's user-friendly, with easy reloading and safety features to prevent mishaps. Overall, a durable and cost-effective tool for tackling home improvement projects with ease. Number 2. Brand name, Yofidra, electric nail gun. The electric nail gun F30 stapler is a highly efficient and versatile tool perfect for DIY enthusiasts and woodworking projects. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it offers excellent portability and power without the hassle of cords. Its multifunctional design handles both nailing and stapling with ease, making it suitable for various home improvement tasks. The ergonomic grip and lightweight build ensure comfort during extended use. Overall, it's a reliable, user-friendly tool that delivers great value for its performance and convenience. Number 3. Brand name, Onevan, electric nail gun. The cordless brushless electric nail gun F30 is a game-changer for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Designed to work seamlessly with Makita 18V batteries, it offers impressive power and reliability. The brushless motor ensures efficiency and longevity, while the cordless design adds convenience and mobility. It's versatile, functioning as both a stapler and a nailer, making it perfect for various projects. Lightweight yet durable, it handles well and drives nails effortlessly. An excellent addition to any woodworking toolkit. Number 4. Brand name, PATUOPRO, electric nail gun. The PATUOPRO brushless electric nail gun F30G is a fantastic tool for DIY enthusiasts. Its cordless design, powered by a Makita 18V battery, ensures portability and ease of use. The brushless motor delivers reliable performance with reduced noise, making it perfect for home projects. It handles straight staples effortlessly, offering precision and power in one compact tool. Lightweight and ergonomic, it minimizes fatigue during extended use. A must-have for efficient, hassle-free nailing and stapling tasks. Number 5. Brand name, KFYFD, electric nail gun. The 2-in-1 brushless F50/K438 electric wireless nail gun stapler is an excellent tool for woodworking projects. Powered by a Makita 18V battery, it delivers reliable and powerful performance. The brushless motor ensures longer tool life and efficient energy use. It's versatile, allowing for both nail and staple functions, making it perfect for various tasks. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue, while the wireless feature adds convenience for mobile use. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The video description includes product links where you can purchase the products. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.